welcome to my channel. So today we are talking about Outre's, one of Outre's latest releases this very month, December 2024. And we have this unit, we have Danika here with us today. And we're gonna be talking about this unit. We're gonna be styling her, seeing the different kind of looks. What I love about this wig, even if it might not be your forte, what I love about this wig is the fact that it gives you a vintage look, playful look, and you know, it's versatile. This look is very much different from the outward flip kind of look, and I guess that's my favorite feature about this unit. This is in chocolate swirl. I love the chocolate swirl color. And we have a little bit of fun in this video. This is not the usual kind of wig that I would wear, but I wanted to try it out for you guys, you know, since it's the latest drop. And yeah, this is our first look exclusive of Danika. How does she look? How does she style? How does she feel? Well, to find out, stay tuned. So here we have the packaging of Danika, and it is part of the Sleeklay collection. And the motto for this collection is lays better and lays flatter. And so listen, when a brand makes a claim, you gotta test it out, push it to the limit, see if it's true now. Now, I had a little bit of fun trying on this unit. As I mentioned, this is not the usual kind of unit I would get, but I'm loving the curls. All right, so this is how it looks straight out of the box. No tinting, no anything. I did not even put my fingers through the hair. She's an interesting look. She's an interesting look. I do love how deep the parting is right off the bat. And for the claims of lays flatter and lays better, I think she definitely passes the mark. Now, let's talk about this hairline. I would say it's not the best hairline from Outre, but I guess for a unit like this, it's all right. And of course, they say it's pre-plucked. Okay. I feel like she can be a vibe. So let's cut the lace. So what I will note about this unit is it does not have the usual air tabs that you usually see with wigs. It kind of just like this. And so you're going to see later on there's a bit of an awkwardness as to whether I should put, you know, part of the unit behind my ear. Is it over the ear? It's just an awkward, you know, situation. But as for this swoop, as for the curlies, I'm loving it. It's definitely giving vintage vibes. Vibes indeed. And you know, as I said, your girl has some fun with this unit. You gotta test it out, see how it might behave in real world action. And so this is what I'm giving you guys, okay? I'm doing all the tests for you guys. And one of my favorite things to do with units, I'm telling you, if it has a swirl, if it has that swoop in the front, I'm going to pass my hair through the front. Yes. And we're going to test how the curlies fall. And so I'm showing you the awkwardness with this unit because as I showed you, the hairline is kind of literally straight across. You see me having issues with part of my edges coming out, me trying to figure out, do I put the wig behind my ear? I got my sideburns coming out. It's, you know, it's a bit awkward, but I guess, you know, for a short unit like this, I mean, I guess it's okay. But loving the curlies, loving the curlies. It fits the basic needs. Here we are trying the next look. Ooh, look at those bouncy bouncies. It's a vibe. If you're ever looking for that kind of 90s look, definitely achievable, definitely a thing for this unit, and I believe that's also how they advertise it as well. It's kind of a 2-in-1 unit. And you know, it's not even only giving 90s. I feel like it's also giving another era. I don't know my eras like that, but for those of y'all who know eras, you know it's also giving another era. And what I love so much about making these videos for you guys is, you know, I get to do the product testing out the hair in different scenarios, different angles. Look at that. Oh, y'all, I'm telling you, I really love how bouncy this unit is. And although it is short and you would think that it would not snaggle and tangle as much, I did experience just a tiny bits of tangling. I wouldn't say tangling, I would say I experienced a few snaggles, which you guys will see later on. But this is how it looks behind the ear. And when I turn to the side, watch this, y'all. Watch. Ooh, vibes. And if you're going to get this unit for yourself, I will say you should have a rounded brush in handy, or handy, not in handy, in hand, handy. This unit, if you want to figure out whether you want it tucked in or tucked out, the best way to play around with this unit is with a rounded brush, as you see me doing. Now, another look I wanted to play around with was having the curls a little bit more layered and more staggered. And so that is what you're about to see me do. I think having the unit with more of the layered and staggered curl look is my favorite way to wear this unit. Now, I did apply my contour color under the lace, but I applied it a little bit over as well, just to try to have the lace blend in a little bit more. So how did she do? Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Alrighty, that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I had a little bit of fun with this wig. If you have any questions, any comments, what do y'all think about this wig? As I mentioned, it's not my usual wig, but you know, I had fun with Danika today. And keep in mind, I have more of Outre's new releases coming soon. I have more videos to film, more videos to release for you guys. And so I'm having fun. I'm having fun trying on these units. Whether it's a color that I would usually wear or I wouldn't usually wear, you know, I have fun trying this on, playing dress up in my room with you guys. Please make sure you like, please make sure you comment once again, and please make sure you subscribe. Bye, see you next time.